Hey there mechanics, welcome back to another hands-on tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to rebuild your truck's trunnion shaft like a pro. This is a crucial part of your truck's suspension system, and keeping it in top shape ensures a smooth and safe ride. If you're dealing with a worn-out trunnion shaft or damaged bushings, stick around. These issues can cause a lot of problems, from rough rides to more serious mechanical failures. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a smooth running truck. Trust me, it's worth the effort to get this right. First things first, safety gear. This is non-negotiable. Always wear your gloves and safety glasses. These simple precautions can save you from serious injuries. Trust me, you don't want any metal shavings or grease in your eyes. All right, let's dive in. Safety first, always. Start by jacking up your truck and securing it on jack stands. This will give you the space you need to work safely and effectively. Make sure it's stable before you crawl under. A wobbly truck is a recipe for disaster. You'll need to remove the drive shaft and the trunnion shaft housing. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time and be careful. Keep track of all the bolts and components you're taking off. Losing a bolt can set you back hours. A magnetic tray can be a lifesaver here. It keeps everything organized and within reach. Once you've got the trunnion shaft housing off, inspect the trunnion shaft itself. This is where you'll see the most wear and tear. Look for signs of wear, such as grooves or scoring. These are indicators that the shaft may need to be replaced. If it's too damaged, you might need a replacement. Don't skimp here. A faulty trunnion shaft can lead to bigger problems down the road. If it's salvageable, grab some emery cloth and clean it up. This will help ensure a smooth operation once everything is reassembled. Next up, the bushings. These are usually the culprits behind a rough ride. Worn bushings can cause a lot of noise and vibration. Press out the old bushings using a press tool. This can be a bit of a workout, but it's essential for a proper rebuild. If you don't have one, a local auto shop might help you out for a small fee. It's worth it to get this step right. Make sure you clean the housing thoroughly before installing the new bushings. Any debris left behind can cause premature wear. Now press in the new bushings. Take your time to ensure they go in straight and even. Make sure they're seated properly and aligned. Misaligned bushings can cause more problems than they solve. A little bit of grease will help them slide in without too much hassle. This also helps reduce friction and wear. Once they're in, reassemble the trunnion shaft housing and reinstall it onto the truck. Make sure everything fits snugly. Reconnect the drive shaft, making sure all bolts are torqued to spec. This ensures everything stays in place. Double check everything before lowering the truck back onto the ground. Safety first, remember? A loose bolt can cause serious issues. Finally, take your truck for a test drive. This is the moment of truth. Listen for any unusual noises and feel for any vibrations. These can be indicators that something isn't quite right. If everything feels smooth, congratulations. You've done a great job. You've just rebuilt your truck's trunnion shaft like a pro. This is a job well done, and that's it for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more mechanic tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific repair you'd like me to cover next. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching. Keep those trucks running smoothly.